Now the topic before us is whether central bank intervenes in currency appreciation. Now the answer is generally the central bank do not intervene. Generally, the central bank is oftenly concerned with currency depreciation, that the currency of that country should not depreciate. However, if there is excessive currency depreciation, excessive currency appreciation, the central bank intervenes if there is excessive currency appreciation. Then why do they intervene in case of excessive currency appreciation? To protect their exporters, because to protect exporters, because when the currency of a country appreciates, the exporting goods become expensive for the foreign buyers. So the exports of that country are adversely affected, and it also results into the job losses of the sectors involved in exports. So to protect exporters, central bank do intervene in case of excessive appreciation. They also intervene to maintain competitiveness, export competitiveness in the global market. To remain competitive in the export market, they intervene. Now the question is, how do they intervene? They intervene by selling domestic currency. When the currency has excessively appreciated, the central bank of that country sells the domestic currency, and the supply of domestic currency increases in the market, and so the value of that currency reduces. Excessive depreciation is offset. The central bank may also purchase foreign exchange reserves. So when the central bank purchases the foreign exchange reserves or foreign exchanges, foreign currency is purchased by the central bank, it reduces the availability of foreign currency in the market, and it indirectly reduces the value of domestic currency, because the foreign currency becomes more valuable. The foreign currency is being purchased by the central bank, foreign currency becomes more valuable, and it indirectly affects the value of the domestic currency. It is not that intervention by the central bank is easy, because the foreign exchange market is very vast, and large scale intervention by the central bank may be very costly, and the central bank may not be always successful, because the forex market is very vast and complex. Further, if there is large scale intervention by the central bank in the forex market, then it may give signal to the market that the central bank is losing confidence in its domestic currency. If the central bank is purchasing currency, its own currency, in large bulk, then it may send signal to the others that it is, if the central bank is purchasing foreign currency, then the investor from the other countries may feel that the central bank is losing confidence in its own currency, and it may adversely affect the value of the domestic currency. Overall, the central bank has many tools to manage the currency appreciation, It is a very delicate act and it has its own challenges. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.